Germany, 1953, the period before the economic miracle. A country in the midst of momentous change. In a workshop in Hamburg, a startup is being launched. The goal? The greatest innovation of the new age. Months of work under the toughest conditions. The result? Groundbreaking. The color yellow. The greatest discovery of all time. Everyone is in love with yellow. Nature. In love. Industry and the economy. In love. What an incredible color. Humanity. In love. Particularly in Holland. There's also red. Total crap. The best things in life are yellow. Ants, mobile phones, rubber ducks, mustard, hoodies, U-boats, the sun, small, medium, large forklift trucks, and stacker cranes. Red stands for downtime and emptiness, a fake color. Yellow stands for safety, freedom, friendship, mobility, and fun. A marvelous color. Yellow, the best color in the world. Made in Germany. Made by Jungheinrich. Splendid.